Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another chapter of execution proceeding, that is garnishee orders. It deals with rule 46A to 46I of order 21 CPC. So garnishee is a debtor's debtor. He is a debtor in whose hands a debt is attached. He is ordered by the court not to pay the debt to his creditor but to deposit the amount in the court. It is simplified as such. Court orders the garnishee that don't pay to the creditor but deposit in the court. The rule says that a debt other than a debt secured by mortgage or a check which has been attached or any negotiable instrument which has been attached, on the application of the attaching creditor to the court, then the court will issue notice to the garnishee. Issue notice for what? To pay the due into the court or to appear and show cause why he should not do so. If he pays the due into the court, then the money is directed to be paid to the decree holder. And where the garnishee does not pay into the court or nor does he appear and show cause, then the court may pass an order calling him to comply with the terms of the garnishee notice. Then if he does not comply, then court may issue execution against him just as if it were a decree against him. This is all laid down in Rule 46B. Rule 46C says that if the garnishee disputes the liability to pay, then the court may order that the question to be tried as if it was an issue in the suit and thereafter pass necessary orders. Further, if it is suggested or appears that the debt in respect of which garnishee notice has been issued belongs to a third party or the third party has lien over it, then the court may order such person to appear and the court will hear him and pass appropriate order. Then 46G, it says cost of applications relating to garnishee notices and all incidental proceedings are in the discretion of the court. 46H, appeals can be filed against orders passed in garnishee proceedings as if such orders were decrees of the court. Lastly, 46F, payment by garnishee as above constitutes a valid discharge to him as against the judgment debtor. So this is all about garnishee proceedings under order 21 CPC. Hope you all will like it. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.